My first job was in a restaurant which is fairly known in town.
I was a fresh grad, so I was an architectural apprentice.
I work as an account secretary for a small advertising agency.
We have what we call apprentissage.
My first job is as a clerk.
I got paid to stack boxes in a warehouse.
Clean windows, front and back.
I was dealing with novelty candles during that time.
So I was doing French fries, I was doing fried fish.
Work is something very different from college because there are many things you cannot learn from college, but you can learn from the outside.
I think the hardest part is that you think you know everything when you find out that you really don't know anything at all.
The physical aspect of the job was probably something you had to get used to. You get used to within a month or so, but I remember my feet were like hurting and my legs were burning.
When I was younger, I was very reluctant to speak. But before, during a meeting, I'm afraid to speak up and express my ideas.
I didn't appreciate the time that I had to learn. Moving forward, I always take advantage of whatever situation I'm in, no matter if it's good, if it's bad.
I think the most important thing I learned about that experience was the dignity of labor.
First I learned to be on time, and I think I learned the consistency, the rigor.
I needed to make my French fries on time when the steak was ready, and that went out to a guest. And that teamwork, that hustle and bustle, that is basically what caught fire in me.
I believe attention to detail, that's what makes it different. It's because, especially when your work gets rescaled, and you're talking about now efficiency and effectiveness.
You've got to be the most dependable person in that room, because if you're dependable, if you promise to deliver and you deliver, then they begin to trust you.
Never waste time. Time is the most important commodity. And have a plan and make sure that whatever you do today is connected to your future.
Don't be afraid to start, because you will not know that if it's for you if you don't give it a try.
It gives you a bit of self-respect to realize that you came from humble beginnings, very humble beginnings, to where we are now. And I think it's important to be able to try everything and anything when it comes to jobs.
I've always believed that knowledge gained is never lost. So even if you've taken up business management in college for 4 years and then you find yourself in sales, for instance, or you find yourself in a creative industry like design, if you find yourself down the road in something unrelated, I think that's okay too, for as long as you're able to transfer your skills.
It can't just be passion. It's passion for what? And passion for who? Is it passion for me, or is it outward? Because if it's passion for you, it's just fun, pleasure. But if it's passion that's outward, now you're serving the community. Now you have a purpose.